Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the most essential tools for any DIY enthusiast or homeowner, the Gorilla Waterproof Patch and Seal Tape. If you're looking for the best waterproof sealing tape on the market, you've come to the right place. Let's get started. First off, let's talk about why this tape stands out. The Gorilla Waterproof Patch and Seal Tape is designed to create a permanent bond that instantly seals out air, water, and moisture. Whether you're dealing with leaks in roofs, gutters, or even plumbing, this tape is your go-to solution. It works seamlessly both indoors and outdoors, making it versatile for any repair job around the house or in your yard. With its extra thick adhesive layer and UV-resistant backing, it provides durability and longevity in various weather conditions. The tape conforms to the surface, allowing it to repair holes, cracks, gaps, and tears with ease. From roofs to rubber, plastic, or vinyl pool liners, this tape can handle a wide range of materials and surfaces. Now, you might be wondering, why choose this tape over others? Well, it's not just about its performance. Customers love the reliability and ease of use it offers. Plus, Gorilla is a trusted brand known for its quality adhesive products. Let's do a quick demonstration to see it in action. Say you have a leaky gutter or a crack in your PVC piping. Simply clean the surface, apply the Gorilla Waterproof Patch and Seal Tape firmly over the area, and smooth it out. It adheres instantly and starts working its magic to seal the leak. In conclusion, if you're in need of a reliable waterproof sealing tape that gets the job done right the first time, look no further than the Gorilla Waterproof Patch and Seal Tape. With its superior adhesive strength and versatility, it's truly a must-have in any toolkit. Click the link in the description to get yours today and tackle those repairs with confidence. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more product reviews and DIY tips here on Product Critique.